In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching your keyboard. If you have suggestion strip enabled at the top of it, you can click on this gear icon right away and select text correction on the left. Following that, scroll down a tiny bit to use this switcher next to autocorrection. If you don't have a suggestion strip though, you can always go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down, and then select System and Updates over here. Now click on Language and Input, select Gboard, and tap on text correction here. Use the same switcher next to autocorrection. If you wish to enable suggestion strip at the top of it, use this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!